Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Orlando Pirates 0, Kaizer Stars 0. Kaizer Stars won the game via penalties. I know it's in my view. When something goes bad, everyone wants to blame someone or something, right? Others are blaming the coach, abanye nemthajela, abanye utito, abanye loku. But sometimes you just have to give credit to the other team, because no one expected in Kaizer Stars to play like that. No one. They are a very well coached team. I always speak about Guti Ama teams, they need to be well coached. Their structure, their defensive structure, right? They were proper. I'm going to show you why they couldn't penetrate, why Pirates couldn't penetrate Kaizer Stars, right? And then in terms of them going forward, abekho mnandi in terms of final decision making. Like most teams like South Africa, even in Pirates, I'm going to show you why they couldn't score. Their final decision making. Now let's go from the first minute. Okay, wait. Sometimes in your court, right? How Sundowns beat the Pirates, right? They used aggression. They were very aggressive. Even this team, they were very aggressive. That's why they couldn't play. Bebasaba nokusaba labafana bePaganiwe. First minute, Kaizer Stars had a chance to score. This pass, uCBC ujahile. We all know that Pirates turned a diagonal pass from the right center back to the left winger or Uhoto. But this pass was not on here. This pass was not on. Still early. Aggressiveness. Now, mangikhuluma nge decision making bafethu. He takes a shot. Let me take it back. It was not really a bad decision to take a shot. Mara, here's your teammate. Sondela nebhola la. When this guy comes close, you pass him the ball. Siyahamba siyokora. That would have been better. For me, that was a better option. Because it's 3 against 3. It's 3 against 3. Now, thinking fast forward to foot. Watch how aggressive they were. You call kick your Pirates, right? Pass in the middle, bad touch by Mufukeng. I've heard ukuthi Mufukeng yena magadlisa ibhola, ama-fans awakwati. Mara amanye ama-player mawadlisa ibhola bayakwata. That's not fair. Now, Kaizer Stars, there we go. Poor decision making again. Poor decision making. 2 chances in the first minute. Let me show you why it's poor decision making. Pass the guy. Uyambona uCBC. If you look at uCBC, he's facing the touchline. If you pass the ball here, he's not going to turn. He won't get the ball. You pass the guy here. You want to push it. Pass again. You could have passed the ball again. Mfanagiti. Now I'm going to show you how the Pirates was set up, right? We all know it's the 4-2-3-1. The Pirates are changed. No score by 5-0. They won't change. They just change personnel, and there is nothing wrong with that, right? Abanye abantu bafuna a different formation, a different tactic, but coach wadu yena prefer lento le. Then I'm going to show you why Kaizer Stars they were not easily penetratable. They were playing a 4-4-2. Mautanda wants it's a 4-4-1-1, right? But it was a 4-4-2. These two, they don't really press these two. I'm a center back. They are closing down the space. You do zonal marking. Zonal marking here, zonal marking nala. Agnaguti, men to men, especially in the midfield. No. You see these two, they are not marking anyone, but it's zonal marking. The ball will come to the right, same thing. It's a shifter. Everyone shifts across. Bad header by Uhoto Lapaya. It's okay, let's restart. Balenzani, Aldala across. Everyone comes back. The ball goes back. We shift. Look at the striker. He's coming here. Look at these two. These are the two central midfielders. Zonal marking. Auna ori ki motho aka o auna motho mo. Valentine Khale fedile auna motho. That's why Pirates couldn't penetrate Keswick Stars. Watch Tito. He moves still. It doesn't matter. What ends up happening? Pirates takes a long shot. Another clip. Look at this guy rushing towards Umakeula. Right? It's not important. They can have the ball. It's fine. Watch Tito try to shake up the guy. He's unshakable. He goes back into the position. But kuzoba nembobo la kuba nembobo. But watch how they react. This guy was ball watching. Look at the space. Ball here. They recover. And in a corner, they recover aggression. Strong. That's why these guys were aggressive, especially in the middle. Ningabanikezi chance. Mama uboninyawo khahlela. When you play against a big team, there is no way you'll stop them the whole 90 minutes, right? They will get chances. You just have to pray they don't utilize those chances. Pirates had a chance here. Pirates had a chance la. Lucky for one, Polaliza la. Touch. Cross. Unfortunately, or fortunately for Ikasrik, Pirates does not utilize this chance. Game plan Keswick Stars, right? Nah, Asien. The game plan for Warner was always the center back, whether it's the right center back or the left center back, is to get the ball down the line to Umalankan, the striker. There was a good first touch there. Throw in. Now, thinking fast forward, they almost scored la. It was a good. This shot had a good power, Mara. It was not on target. Long throw. Nababo Hoto by Paiza. Nakia. Almost scored. There's another one. This time it's on the left hand side. Left center back. Long ball. Long pass. They get a free kick here. One last clip from Stars. Same thing. Left center back. Long pass. Malankane flicks it. They almost scored from this position as well. Bad first touch. Doesn't hit the target. That was their game plan. Get the ball to Ujovic. Second half, guys. Second half, still the same thing, still the same formation. But game Mailogi Hamba, Kesrick, I think they changed formation to a 4-5-1 now. Now that's where the problem started. Now, Yasman Bani, the problem when there's a lot of people in the middle, right? Because now we don't go and press, put high low Zoya, low corner. Now, Mfukeng started getting Amapola and making those passes. But now I'm going to show you my chances where Kesrick stars the Pirates and the poor decision making. Poor. Even the last minute of the game, Pirates had a chance, right, to score, but the poor decision making. Starting Kesrick. Hey, that's like Amaliang Paizis. Kesrick stars. Throw in from the left hand side, Lisa Ngapa. On the right, I don't know what is Hoto doing here. It's poor decision making. You are not delicious. Just do the simple things. Hey, good save from Ushane. Uziyambuza ukuthi wenzani? Wenza in. But the guy should have crossed the ball there. He should have crossed the ball. I'll show you why. Look at this space. Hoto! Look at this space. Imagine if he rolls the ball towards this guy. Bah! Poor decision making for me. You give someone who's in a better scoring position. Great save by Sipo Chain there. Pirates, poor decision making. Ball is on the right, it comes to the left. We are shy. Okay, let me play it. We are shy. Okay, I'll save. But poor decision making here, Bafis. Poor decision. Aye, Mara. Umuremi is making a run. La. Watch. Yeah? Pass the ball here. He's not offside. Uyamnikeza omunye umntwana, it's either uyashaya or uyacrossa. Nangumlungu laphaya. It's simple, guys. Let it simple. I always say, if someone is making a run, because there's no one who's going to stop him. There's no one who's going to stop Umuremila. Just give him a pass. You want to score. Largis. Another poor decision making. The Pirates to lose the ball. Now watch. This is a counter attack. 1, 2, 3. It's 3 against 2. Pass the ball there. Not here. And this is a poor pass. Poor decision making. Nakia, here's another one. Poor decision making. Ball from the left, it goes to the right. Cross. Poor decision making. Maybe we are supposed to see poor decision making ganjani. Don't worry, I'll explain it. Relax. Take it easy. Watch. Look at where is the ball. Now, people are la, put young. But look at this guy, Ugupi. It's poor decision making. It decision got young to wait for the ball. That was poor. You're supposed to attack the ball. But he doesn't. And then by him waiting for the ball, he gives the right back time to recover. Eh? Imagine where the ball comes from. And I didn't freeze it, lisenyaweni, ngilifreeze lisemoyeni. But still there was a lot of space between Udiong and the right back. But great recovery from that guy, from the right back. Great. That was good defending. Good defending. Cross, you're waiting for your name to be called. Final clip. Okay, wait. Before I show you the final clip, Uhoto had a chance to score. Uhoto had a chance to score, and then Nyamazu Hood. There's something that a friend of mine, if you look at most guys that come from Namibia, they don't have a composure in the box. If you look at Ushaulile, you look at the left back, Ejalila Mazulu, Sengimkhohli Kamalaki, and then you look at Uhoto. They are always running. They don't have a composure. And I don't understand why. I see again there. Sharp. Now, Pirates, look at the time. Nice pass. Great defending there. Mara. Poor decision making. Don't worry. I will show you. Don't worry. Relax. I will show you. This is poor decision making. Guys, in training, professional teams, you do drills. You do crossing drills. You know, Guti, as a striker, if you pull a little paya, I have to make a run there. And it. Now, in the cross, he knows, Guti, he must play the ball there to the striker. He needs to find someone. But they decide to play the ball in the middle. Why? Why do you want to pass the ball here? Yes, I can see there's two players, but this is a better scoring position than these two. Yeah? There's no way Guti, this guy is gonna block this ball la. No way. You cross the ball la, uyakora. Easy finish. Hey, tingathi easy finish because hey umbuthuma angakubonisa ichannel thengisa amagwini, but asikho lapha. But this was angifuni ukuthi it was a bad pass, but poor decision. You could have played the ball here. Could have played the ball there. You always pass to someone who is in a better scoring position than wena, than omunye umuntu or umngani wakho. Right? Pirates had a lot of chances, but they had a lot of moments in the second half to score a goal. Even the Kesri, maybe 2 or 3, but they didn't take them. Game Iyenzani, Pirela Guma penalty. I've spoken about Rowan Williams, Nosipho Chain when it comes to penalty takings. If they don't know you, they don't know, they just choose a side. Right? For me, they are not good penalty savers. But it's a topic for another day. Again, Nyabonga, thank you for watching Bafetu. Please subscribe, please like, and please share. And Kuma comments, please continue commenting. Let's have a discussion about football. No disrespect. Let's have good conversations. Thank you for watching. Nyabonga.